Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful stitch. It's so easy to make. It's just 2 row repeats, but these 2 rows are so similar, so you can make it easily. And that's the back side. It's reversible. You can use it on your blankets, cardigans, maybe for the hats. Maybe I can make a hat with this stitch. We will see. I used white, but while I'm showing you, I'm gonna use a different color and 4.5mm hook. You can choose your hook and yarn as you like. I think this stitch will work with any kind of yarn. And if you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Start with a slip knot. Then make your stitches must be multiples of 12 plus 6 only one time. So I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and make it as long as you want. I'm gonna make 24 plus 6, 30 and turn back to you. Once you complete your chains, you're gonna turn back, skip this first stitch. Starting from the second stitch, you will make single crochets. Insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. Put 1 single crochet into each stitch till the end. See you there. For the row 2, we are gonna start with 3 chains. Count this as your first double crochet, so you won't make anything here. Into the next stitch, put a double crochet, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'm gonna make 3 more double crochets. It's totally 5 double crochets. Now yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, and into this 4th stitch we are gonna make 3 puff stitches. How to make it? Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert and pull up a loop. So we will have 7 loops on the hook. Okay, 7. Yarn over, pull through 6. Just leave this last loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 3. Insert, same place, make 1 more puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, pull through 6, pull through 2. Chain 3. Insert and make 1 more. Now we have 3 puff stitches, between them there is 3 chains. Don't make any chain here. 1, 2, 3, into the 4th stitch, put a double crochet. Next, put a double, 3, 4 and 5. We're gonna make puff stitch again. Skip 3 into the 4th, insert, pull up a loop. pull up a loop, and one more time. Yarn over, pull through 6, pull through 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 1, 2, 3, and into this 5 stitches put 1 double crochet for each of them. That's the end of the row 2. For the row 3, we are gonna start with a chain, turn into this first stitch and last stitch. We're gonna make half double crochets, or you can make double crochets too. It's not too important, but we're gonna make back post double crochets for the rest, so half double crochet will work better, I think. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all. That's half double crochet. Now yarn over. We're gonna make back post double crochet. Insert your hook from back to the front and around this post, give it the back again. Make a double crochet. Three, and 4. Now chain 3. Skip this puff stitch and 3 chains into this top stitch here. Put a single crochet. Chain 3. Make 5 back post double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 3. Put a single crochet here. Chain 3. Make 4 back post double crochets. If you have more stitches, you're gonna make 5 back posts, 5 back posts, keep going. In the end, you're gonna make 4 back post double crochet and a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert into this third chain, a half double crochet. Chain 1, turn. That's the row 4. Put a half double crochet, and we are gonna make back post double crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Without chaining, into the single crochet stitch, we are gonna make 3 puff stitches. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, make one more, make 5 back post double crochets, four, 5 and 3 puff stitches, chain 3, chain 3, make 4 back post double crochets, and in the end, into this last stitch, you are gonna put a half double crochet. Chain 1, turn, and starting from here, we're gonna just repeat this row 3 and 4. So put a half double crochet, 4 back post double crochets, chain 3, a single crochet on the top, chain 3, make 5 back post, chain 3, a single, chain 3, 4 back post and a half double crochet. Complete this row too. I'm gonna show you how to finish it. When you reach to the last row, you're gonna finish with these 3 chains and back post row, the row 3, chain 1, turn, and we're gonna simply put a single crochet into each stitch. We have 3 chains here, put 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, into this single crochet stitch, put a single crochet and make 3 more single crochets, then make 5, three, 1, 3, and you have 5 stitches left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then chain 1. Yeah. And that's all. Hope you like this stitch and this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address, is also my Etsy, website, Ravelry, Pinterest, Facebook. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.